Okay, I'm making this video to show you guys how to navigate Airbnb to see the details about our trip. You can see pictures of the house and the rules of the house. Don't mind the panting in the background. That's Zoe panting. So when you're in Airbnb, you're going to go over to this little thing where your profile is. Mine's all in Spanish. Yours will be in English likely. Then you're going to go here, and you're going to go trips. Then you'll see hours. And then you'll see all the details. Please don't do anything here, because that'll mess up our thing. I'll be in charge of that part. It tells you directions, if you want to kind of see exactly where it is on Google Maps, but it's pretty easy to find. The PDF that I sent you was basically I copied and pasted all the information here. It has all the stuff, so you can read it again there too if you want. Scroll down, and then you can go to this information about our host. Then, oh yeah, here's the rules of the house. You click on that, see that. Then she had, oh yeah, so this is what I want to point out to you. So here we see about her. Then you go, this is the guide that she made about the different restaurants and stuff like that. And you can click on it, and she's got all of that there. And where the locations are. Some of these places are in the town of Loreto, which is not very far away. I mean, it's like, I can't remember how far away it is. I want to say it's like 10-15 minutes from there by car. Anyway, we're 100% going to go there. And then we're also going to go do a day trip up to this, all along here in the mountains. There's all these missions, but we're going to go to the one that's above Loreto. And I'll send you guys, I think it's San Miguel. Anyway, but I'll look at that, and I'll send you links to that as well. All right. So I think that's everything that I wanted to show you about this.